Welcome back to the Smart NYSE's Investing. In the previous video, we introduced the purpose of this channel and how it will help beginners understand stock market investing. Today, we will start with a fundamental question: what is the New York Stock Exchange? The New York Stock Exchange, commonly known as the NYSE, is the largest stock exchange in the world and one of the most important financial marketplaces for investors and companies globally. Understanding how the NYSE works is the first step in understanding how the stock market functions. The NYSE is a marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of publicly listed companies. Where a company lists its shares on the exchange, it allows the public to purchase ownership in that company. Each share represents a small portion of the ownership in the business. Companies list their shares on the NYSE to raise capital. This capital can then be used to expand operations, invest in research, develop new products, or enter new markets. At the same time, investors buy shares because they expect the company to grow and increase in value over time. This interaction between companies seeking capital and investors seeking returns is what drives the stock market. The NYSE is located on Wall Street in New York City. For more than 2 centuries, this location has been considered the center of global finance. Many of the world's largest financial institutions, investment firms, and banks operate in this area. Because of its global influence, activity on the NYSE often reflects the overall health of the economy. The history of the NYSE dates back to the year 1792. At that time, a group of stockbrokers in New York signed an agreement known as Buttonwood Agreement. This agreement established rules for trading securities and created the foundation for what eventually became the New York Stock Exchange. Over time, the exchange expanded as more companies sought capital and more investors participated in financial markets. Today, the NYSE lists many of the world's largest corporations and handles billions of dollars in trading activity every day. The NYSE hosts companies from a wide range of industries. These include technology companies, financial institutions, healthcare companies, energy producers, consumer goods companies. Many well-known multinational corporations are listed on this exchange. Large companies often choose the NYSE because it has strict listing requirements and a strong reputation among global investors. This reputation provides credibility and visibility to companies that meet its standards. Trading on the NYSE takes place during specific market hours. Typically, the exchange operates from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Investors place buy or sell orders through brokerage firms, and these orders are matched in the market. Historically, trading on the NYSE took place physically on a trading floor with brokers shouting orders. Today, much of the trading process is handled electronically through advanced trading systems, making transactions faster and more efficient. The NYSE plays a critical role in the global economy. It allows companies to raise capital for growth and innovation. At the same time, it provides investors with opportunities to participate in the success of businesses. Because the NYSE includes many large corporations, movements in its stocks can influence global financial markets and investor sentiments. Understanding how the exchange operates helps investors better interpret market activity and investment opportunities. In summary, the NYSE is one of the world's most important financial marketplaces where companies raise capital and investors buy and sell shares. For anyone interested in investing, learning how this exchange works provides a strong foundation for understanding the stock market. In the next video, we will explore how the stock market actually works and why stock prices move. Thank you for watching NYSE Investing. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more content focused on learning and understanding the world of investing.